Hi everyone, welcome to science lesson. At the previous meeting, we have learned about solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas are the metals can change from one state to another if heated or cold. In this session, we are going to learn the changing state of metal, which is called melting. What is melting? Melting is when solid changes into a liquid. Why do you think solid such as butter and ice melt? How does heating affect the solid? Yes, you are right. When solids are heated, their particles gain energy and start to move more quickly and pull further apart. If the particles gain enough energy, they escape from the solid and change into liquid. We can show how melting happens like this. The temperature at which a solid melts is called melting point. Melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. When ice is just taken out from the freezer, the temperature of ice is lower than 0 degrees Celsius. Different solids have different melting points. The melting point of ice is the same temperature as the freezing point of water. It is because when water goes from solid to liquid, we refer to melting point. When the change is from liquid to solid, it is the freezing point. But the temperature of the change is same of 0 degree Celsius. The starting point of one process is the ending point of other. To conduct this investigation, we need ice cubes, a beaker, a thermometer, and stopwatch. Okay class, we are going to make an investigation about the melting point of ice. Before we do the experiment, we have to make sure that our experiment is a fair test. There are 4 things that you have to notice. First, ensure the thermometer is working. Second, make sure the thermometer doesn't touch the bottom of the cup. Third, ensure your stopwatch is showing 0 minutes. Fourth, measure the initial or room temperature. Okay, let's do the investigation. We want to measure the temperature of the ice every minute until it melts. Now, let's set the initial temperature. It shows 22 degrees Celsius. Make sure your side straight to the reading. Put the ice in the beaker. After the thermometer has been in the ice for a few minutes, we have to measure the temperature of the ice. The first reading we take may be close to 0 degrees Celsius. Let's see the reading of thermometer. Is it 0 or close to 0? Yes, you are right. It shows. We are going to measure the temperature of ice every minute. So we start from 0 minutes. After 1 minute, the thermometer is showing okay, students. Now we check again. After a minute, the temperature raised until positive. Okay, now students, after you can see the thermometer shows the through these experiments, we got this data. What pattern can you see from this data? We can see from the pattern that the temperature remains -1 degree Celsius for the first 6 minutes. At the 7th minute, the temperature increases until it reaches 0 degrees Celsius. It stays at 0 degrees Celsius for 62 minutes. After 69 minutes, the temperature gradually increases from 1 degree Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. The ice will melt at 0 degrees Celsius. Do you know why it took so long for the ice to melt? Because we use a lot of ice cubes in this investigation. We can make the ice melt faster by putting it in the warmer place or heat the beaker. Okay students, that's for today. I hope you enjoy learning science. And see you again in the other experiment. Bye!